This morning, I received a call from a cattle farm. One of their cows was having trouble walking, she was limping, and the owner was really concerned. When I arrived, I found her standing in the corner of the barn, barely putting any weight on her front leg. I gently examined her hoof and quickly discovered the issue. A sharp object had pierced deep into the hoof, and the wound had become necrotic. The infection had spread, causing tissue to rot, and there were already maggots and parasites inside the wound. I began treatment immediately. First, I removed the sharp object from the hoof. Then I carefully cleaned out all the dead tissue, maggots, and any parasites. It's important to remove everything that could delay healing or spread infection. Next, I washed the wound thoroughly with antiseptic, applied antibiotic ointment, and wrapped the hoof securely to keep it protected and clean. Next, I washed the wound thoroughly with antiseptic, applied antibiotic ointment, and wrapped the hoof securely to keep it protected and clean. The cow stood calmly during the whole process, as if she knew we were trying to help her. I gave her a gentle pat on the head before leaving and wished her a speedy recovery. With proper care, she'll be back on her feet again soon, walking, grazing, and hopefully running across the fields like before. Animals, especially cows, give so much to us. They work hard, they trust us, and they deserve kindness in return. Let's always treat them with love and respect.